You're off to the races.
Woo! Hey everyone, today's video is the Sephora VIB haul. I have no products to demonstrate because it's all skincare. No makeup, no hair care. You're probably like, what? And I'm like, yeah. We got some really good goodies and 20% off. I feel like I'm actually doing this again because we had the appreciation sale like a couple months ago and I'm like, oh, we have another 20%. This time around, more of the holiday sets are out and it is cold. Okay, not like too cold, but my face thinks it is, but hopefully some of these products can help my situation, especially because like I have some like dry patches all over my skin right now. I found that out putting foundation on and my lips are chapped, which they don't seem to want to unchap. Let's just dive in. The first product that I purchased is the Fresh Masks for Miles little gift set that we have for the holidays. I love Fresh skincare so much. They have some of the best masks, whether it's for acne, hydrating, pores, you just need some TLC. Fresh has a mask for everyone to go around, and I'm a huge fan of the black tea and then the rose face masks. So you pay $75 and then you get 110 value out of all these. I don't have Sephora.com up with me right now, but I think like for a full-size mask, it's about like $59, maybe plus dollars. So I think you get a really good deal. So the rose face mask hydrates and tones, and it's infused with real rose petals. They have like a whole rose line and it is amazing. Like the toner is one of my absolute favorite products from Fresh. And then we have the Sugar Face Polish. It's an exfoliating mask. It gently refines and nourishes. Fresh's skincare is so gentle on the skin. If you have sensitive skin, I highly recommend trying that because I know for me sometimes like exfoliating can kind of like make my skin hurt a little bit just because I overdo it or something's too harsh. But with Fresh's ingredients and their products, like I don't have that irritation. We have the Black Tea Instant Perfecting Mask. It smooths and softens the face. Cloud-like texture, yes, oh my gosh, I love how soft your face feels and it feels hydrated and plumped, something I'm looking for in the winter time. And then we have the Lotus Youth Preserve Rescue Mask, and it's a 5-minute facial. I don't think I've used this mask before, but it boosts radiance and smooths with seaweed. So I'm really looking forward to trying out that mask. If you can find this, it's sold out right now on Sephora.com. So I actually ran to the store to get one. I saw it when the sale went live the first time. I don't know why, I was like, eh. But then when I saw how popular it was, and I'm like, hello, I'm missing out. I had to go back out and pick up one of these. So really excited to be using them for the cooler weather. We have this awesome Ole Henriksen duo. It doesn't have the price. I believe you paid $36 or you paid $39. I can't remember. But anyway, it's a $64 value, and I'm pretty sure you just pay the price of the retail of the cold plunge pore mask, and it's essentially getting the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub for free. That's how I'm looking at it. Step 1, you're gonna use the Pore Balance Facial Sauna Scrub. I have not used this before. I'm a huge fan of Ole Henriksen's Walnut Scrub, so I'm really curious to see how it compares to this. But I'm a huge fan of the cold plunge mask. I love how it feels on your face, and I love how it tightens my skin. And I know your pores aren't gonna shrink forever, but I feel like my pores have like a tighter look to them. They're not as visible, and it also makes priming my face and applying foundation easier the next day. But it is just a really awesome mask. It's a beautiful color. I feel like this set is a really good value. So if you have someone who is needing some TLC for their face, definitely check this out. I know for me, I'm gonna go through the mask really quick because, well, now that I have a bunch of them with me. And I think it's also good for oily skin maybe, or combination skin, because I've noticed that it helps like reduce the amount that my T-zone produces, even though it's getting cooler and it's not doing it as much, but in the summertime it was definitely helping. So if you watched my appreciation sale, you know I was trying to buy the toner and I ended up buying the cleanser instead, and I was just like, well, dang. So for real this time, I already ripped off the lid. I got the toner. I am really excited to test this out, even though I'm not really producing much oil on my face right now. My hair is though. I don't know why they've like switched, but anyway, I'm really excited to try this. I normally use the Thayer's Witch Hazel and I'm pretty much out, so I'm gonna test this baby in just to see how it compares. I don't really use a high-end toner in my routine. The Thayer's Witch Hazel is drugstore. Not like I need like a high-end brand, but this one has been on my radar for a while. It gets really good reviews and I see it all over YouTube and Instagram, so I wanted to try the hype for myself. And I'm already a huge fan of the Ole Henriksen brand, and it's part of like the Balance. They have like different like colors for different like products that they target. The green line is like Balance, and I think the blue line is Transform, and the pink might be Hydrating. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's like what I remember, but I mainly use products from the green line right now in my routine. I was like very cautious to make sure I picked up the toner and not the cleanser this time, because I was like, not again, we're good. I kind of just went crazy on masks because the next product is the Summer Fridays Overtime Mask, and this literally came out after the appreciation sale was done. So I was like, all right, I'm waiting for that other 20% that happens in October, November. So I got it. I was a huge fan of the blue tube, so I'm really curious to see how this one compares. And it's an overtime mask and it exfoliates, so we will see how this works. This is what the tube looks like. It says soothing oat kernel proteins and free radical fighting antioxidants make this brightening mask the ultimate glow getter. I'm just really excited to try this. Sephora only carries the blue tube and this tube on its website and in store, well, at least in my local store. So I've just been really curious just to see how it works. I like to see more products in Sephora that this brand carries, or if these are the only two products, I'm not sure. If there are any other products, let me know, because I am a huge fan of this brand. I have two products left. Then the next product is the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. I have seen this all over YouTube and Instagram as well, and I love Glam Glow's cleansers and their masks. I didn't get any though, but I am just a huge fan of the Glam Glow's skincare line. I love every single product that I've tried. I was a little sad when like the black tube like discontinued, but it came back in like another cleanser, so I'm not sure. I haven't picked up like the new rebranded or reformulated, I'm not sure, but I'm really excited to try this one because from reading like the description and seeing it in store, it reminded me of like the OG black cleanser tube that I used to purchase in the past. So I just want to see how this compares, and it polishes, refines, smooths. I like to use this type of cleanser in the morning, but I don't use it every morning. I kind of rotate it out with my Murad Acne Cleanser in the morning. So I just want to see how this works in comparison. It says Superfruits power this exfoliating cleanser to gently polish the skin and remove impurities for a renewed glow. With a triple exfoliating blend of fruit extracts, pomegranate seeds, and tropical fruit enzymes, Tropical Cleanse works to deeply cleanse and buff away dull skin cells for a renewed glow. Really pumped to give this a shot. And then the last product is another product by Fresh. It is the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. I actually purchased this because I want to put it in my purse, and when I'm feeling a little parched on my skin, I'm just gonna spray it on my face. I loved how this felt in Sephora, and it was just really refreshing that you just need throughout the day, because in the morning after you cleanse and moisturize, you are gonna lose a little bit of moisture throughout the day. So I'm like, I need something just to get me through like the rest of the day at work. So I thought that this was a good product to try out. Like I said, I'm a huge fan of the Fresh brand, and I'm really excited to see how this helps me throughout the winter, because my face is acting a little pathetic and I'm just like, can you not? So hopefully this is the missing piece that I have. I almost purchased the Briogeo little gift set. It had hydrating mask, and then it has a bunch of like sample sizes to try, but I have like the big heavy duty Don't Despair Repair mask right now. And then for makeup, you know, I feel like I've already picked and choose what I wanted from the holiday collections from both Sephora and Ulta, so I just felt like I did not need to replenish on a backup or a new palette or anything. I felt like I already got what I wanted from the sales. Actually, to be perfectly honest, there were 2 items that were sold out on both Sephora's website and all the Sephoras around me within a 100-mile radius, and one of them was the Hourglass Ambient palette, not volume 4, it's the other one, and I really wanted to get another Tatcha gift set, the one that has like a full-size water cream, but that was sold out as well with the Hourglass, and I was just so upset. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you purchased from the haul, what holiday sets caught your eye, if you just bought individual products, if you bought someone a gift for the holidays, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up if you like Sephora, hauls, yeah, holidays. And please make sure you're subscribed before you leave to stay updated for future videos, and I will see you then.